Wow, I look really pale for this being a Mexico vlog. We're about to leave our first Airbnb and head to Valladolid, which is where we're gonna stay for our second night. We're gonna stay at, it's called the Zentic Project, and it has a really sweet cave pool. So we're really looking forward to that. Hurricane Grace is headed this way, so that's awesome. We're hoping it's not gonna be that bad. It looks like it's going to be in Merida the day that we're supposed to be in Merida. So we're considering canceling that night. And even if we don't get our money back, it was only like 25 bucks for that place. And maybe just staying in Valladolid for another day, or if the hurricane's still over there, then maybe just heading back to Cancun. We're gonna be super spontaneous about it. We're gonna see how much we like the little city tonight. So we're gonna leave now a little bit early because there were tons of cute little shops along the way that we passed yesterday. So we're gonna go blow all of our pesos now. So that was our room. We're checking out, so I didn't really give you guys a tour. We were like in such a hurry to get ready to go to Chichen Itza. Look at this cute little cooking area. Like, I want my kitchen to look like that. And then this is the biggest tree that either of us have ever seen. It's huge. The dining area. The pool was awesome. There's a bar, but I didn't partake. Adios. Because I have to drive. Another huge tree. Foosball. This is like little entertainment area. I failed to mention that we're the only people staying here, so it's not like we really got to meet people or anything. Otherwise it could have been fun. Here's the map of Chichen Itza. So technically we're here and Chichen Itza is right here. But the entrance of it, I guess, is closed because of COVID. So we had to go like all the way around instead. It was okay because we have a car. The spa. Probably should have taken advantage of that. Then we'll head back to our car. In here, we have the Swedish fish. Can't get our Bluetooth to work. So we've just been playing songs from Christy's phone instead. But luckily we're not really driving very far today. Like, Valladolid's only maybe 30 minutes from here. Maybe not even. So we'd like to just park the car and just be able to go out and have some drinks and stuff. Like, obviously I haven't been drinking if I'm driving, so it's weird that I've been in Mexico for 24 hours and haven't had a tequila shot because it's what I do. But tonight it's coming, don't worry.
Oh, that's cute. I like the top of. Oh yeah.
Yes, beautiful.
Yeah.
Gracias.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my god, I love my hat so much.
We're so cute. Thanks, little place on the side of the road. Road, and I need empanadas ASAP. Uno, dos empanadas. I wish that churro stand was open. What churro? Look at my cute empanadas. Okay, just got to our second Airbnb. And can we talk about how cute it is already? We're literally thinking about staying here another night, even though it's expensive. Look at how cute.
Toe pick?
Yep.
So we all learned how to take tequila shots. Watching Cutting Edge. Those cups are so good.
Okay, that's it for now.
Even I'm drinking it.
It was also free, so.
Oh.
Who is she in Mexico? Shots and their tequila.
Oh, I feel it in my heart.
But look at our hat. Hi. This is our room for the night and maybe the next night. We're not sure yet. Christy Jean! We have a dream catcher.
To catch all my dreams.
To catch all my dreams. No smoking. This is our love nest. Door. It's like a living room area. Christy again. Fan and air conditioning. Just a little sink. C'est moi. Hola. That's a toilet. It is what it is. And a shower. This is not as the Brian Kelly, not my Brian Kelly shower test. Because I'm 5'10". And it's hitting that, so we know that. There's like art everywhere. Everything's all wooden and cute. Like that, I love it. This bed looks super comfortable. And the coolest part is, and the whole reason why I picked it, is it has a pool that's underground that's a cave. And there's a normal pool too. So the drama right now is that the hurricane is going to hit this whole area tomorrow. We were supposed to go to Merida tomorrow morning and we canceled it. So now we're trying to decide. We asked if they have an extra room here tomorrow. They said they're all booked, but somebody might cancel because there is a hurricane coming. But also we're thinking about maybe just driving back towards Cancun. So we have still Thursday night and then Friday afternoon we fly out. So maybe tomorrow we might just go stay in an all-inclusive in Cancun for the day. If it's gonna rain all day, we might as well do that. So we're gonna play it by ear and see, but we do need to book it ASAP, so I don't know. But I wanna swim in the cave pool! Let's go. Wow. It's like sexy in here. Brian's missing it. This is my hollow shot. Are you ready? Yeah. Oh, that hurts. I'm scared now. Sorry, Brian. I'm in the grotto without you. Here's our home for the next little bit. There started to be people in the cave almost getting it on, so
Yeah, I was gonna say they were.
we left to come up here. We made it. Once again, we got ready in like 10 minutes so we could go explore. Well, Christy had to wash her hair. I just don't care at all. There's gelato across the street.
We love gelato.
We're eating here because it's cute and it's raining. Gracias. Please don't fall into my pasta. Christy's pizza is bigger than her.
Yep.
And my ravioli is very small. The birds are going crazy. I bet it's because the storm is coming. Can I do mango and orange?
Yeah.
Okay.
A medium half.
I'll do the big one. Beautiful.
One super tropical.
That is interesting. Gelato. I got spicy orange and mango. I almost got the habanero one, but Christy got chocolate. This is what the sky is doing. So we just got back to the hotel, and tonight is when Hurricane Grace is hitting, or tropical storm, hurricane, not sure what she is right now. And we went to the front desk to ask about COVID testing, and they gave us a walkie-talkie in case of emergencies that we had to check out, and told us that if we lose power in the middle of the night, they do have a backup generator, but that they don't want air to be used. They just want lights and fans. So we'll see. Last time I was here during a tropical storm slash hurricane, I was staying in the same type of roof, and I got rained on. So we'll see how that goes.